In the energy complex today, I want to focus on WTI. WTI trading right around 57 today, up better than 2.5%. We saw a pretty significant range today. 55.73 was the low, 57.39 was the high. And I can tell you some of the driving factors here today. It appears that OPEC pushing back on the Trump administration. OPEC came out this morning and indicated that they do not plan on production cuts and actually increasing the current production cuts possibly as they move through the cycle. I can tell you right now they are adhering to those production cuts, not both OPEC and Russia, looking to take out about 1.2 million barrels per day, and they're getting to that point right now. Now they expect to keep that in place for the first 6 months of 2019 and then reevaluate the supply-demand situation as we move towards the summer. But I can tell you right now that OPEC certainly came out in the last 24 hours and made it very clear that they do not plan on shifting the production cuts currently in place. Second driving factor, I think, is the inventory numbers. We had a significant inventory number come out this morning, the EIA number, a big draw, much larger than what was expected. We had a draw of 8.65 million barrels in the last week. Expectations were for a build of about 2.85 million barrels. So we saw a big swing there, and that kept the upside pressure on oil throughout the day as we saw it rally off those lows from yesterday. And we saw it continue to build on the momentum that was established earlier in the day from the OPEC news. Another driving factor, I think, is keeping oil elevated is the U.S. dollar. Now we're seeing the U.S. dollar continue to be under a little bit of pressure here, getting back below the 96 level, right around the 95.90 level. And as we continue to see the U.S. dollar fluctuate, we're seeing it impact the energy space as a whole. I can tell you when we saw the dollar on its lows, that's when we saw oil on its highs. We did see the dollar rally back to just below that 96 level after this afternoon. And with that, we saw oil come off the highs somewhat. So again, it does seem to be that correlation between the weaker dollar and oil prices is also another factor influencing the price of not only WTI, it's also influencing the price of Brent as well.